Make sure my hair is pretty. Okay, YouTube. So, I'm going to be kind of figuring out my wiring harness right now. I have everything inside of the car. It's a mess in there. And I had everything coming through this existing hole. I built a plate, kind of cut one out of sheet metal, and then I'm going to drill holes into it and figure out where I want my actual wiring harness. So here's the plate. I got some primer on it right now. I'm going to be painting that pretty soon. But yeah, the biggest thing is I want it to be a little bit cleaner. So I'm trying to figure out what type of grommets I want to use to actually drill into the plate, because the wiring harness has, it's pretty big. You got these connectors coming through, and it's not small. So, and I'm definitely not chopping it up or anything like that. So I gotta figure something out. But that's just gonna be searching the internet until I figure out what I want. But that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So these fucking cans, these suck. It's so frustrating. Okay, YouTube, I got the plate all painted and clear. It's all ready to go. So I'm starting to pull my wiring harness through the old blower motor location, and I'm trying to get an idea of where it's gonna lay. So I bought these little grommets that I'll drill a hole in this, and then I'm going to just fasten them to that. And then that's how I'm gonna get my wiring harness out. So I'm just trying to figure out where they're gonna get placed on this this backing plate. So now I did this with the drill press just to get everything kind of as best as I could, and obviously I should have waited to paint it. Thought I could get away with it. I got it to work over here with just using a drill, but yeah, the drill press was just throwing too many shards and stuff, and whatever. I'll just have to resand it and paint it, but yeah. So I got the panel painted, I got the grommets back in, and I got my wiring harness ran through. Wasn't difficult. Just got everything on there, and I'm gonna get my wiring harness all buttoned up, and yeah, should be good to go. Yeah, so that should be pretty much it. I got everything buttoned up here up top. I do have to get a few sensors plugged in on the transmission, but that's no big deal. I think it looks a lot better than what it did before. The two banks were stuffed between the intake and the firewall, and it was like they were stuffed in there. And I mean, there's still wires behind it, but it's a lot better than what it was. But that'll be it for this one. So see you on the next one.